Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my online YouTube class. Today, as we have already completed up to the 12.2 exercise, today we are going to start the exercise 12.3. And here you will learn students the area of the combination of the plane figures, how the area of the shaded region to be calculated by excluding and by subtracting the some sort of areas given in the question number. And you have to first judge what the shaded region part is given and the remaining part as it is a sector, segment, triangle or a square. That excluding that part, the remaining part is that is called as your shaded part, and you have to calculate the shaded part area. So students, I hope you will learn something from my video, and in the next class as usual we will go through the remaining questions from your NCERT textbook. And stay happy and entertain this video. Thank you. Good morning students. Welcome to today's online YouTube class in my YouTube channel. Here is, as per daily, we are going to start the area related to circles from NCERT 10th textbook. So far in the previous class, in the previous channel, already we have completed up to 12.2 exercise, and that day the chapter 12 you have discussed about how the formula of a sector, segment we have derived. Now today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is area of combination of plane figures. Okay, area of combination of plane figures. Area of a combination of plane figures. Okay students, here is very interesting thing that from the diagram you will confirm about how it is calculate the depends upon the previous formula. So let us start a chapter or exercise 12.3, that is question number 1. Here is the question. You see one circle, this is the center point, diameter Q R, this is P, O. Okay, question is find the area of the shaded region if PQ, given that PQ equal to 24 centimeter, PR equal to 7 centimeter, O is the center of the circle. So in the figure, the shaded region, this part and this segment are the shaded region. So students, you should confirm that the shaded part is the excluded part from the semicircle and the triangle, and this triangle is a right angle triangle. As it is not given in your book, but you should confirm that I am writing here as PQR, or we can write it is RPQ. This region RPQ is a semicircle, and as this is a semicircle, we know angle subtended by a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle subtended by a semicircle is 90 degree. For that reason, angle RPQ is 90 degree and triangle QPR is a right angle triangle. So our question is to find the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of QPR right angled triangle. Okay, now we know that area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2. Clear? And QPR right angle is minus half into base into height. But first of all, we have to clear about what is the radius of the circle. Okay students, now as P are given 7 centimeter and PQ given 24, we have to calculate the hypotenuse QR from QPR triangle equal to PR square plus PQ square, that is 7 square plus 24 square upon root over, and this is equal to 49 plus 576 root over, and it is equal to 625, and that is 25 centimeter. Okay, and this is equal to your QR equal to 25. As QR is the 25, then radius equal to, no, diameter equal to 25, no, diameter 25, that means radius is equal to 25 by 2. This centimeter is the radius. Now put this value of area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to, if we put here in place of pi, that is 22 by 7 into r square. R square means 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 into 1 by 2, pi r square. By 2 means into 1 by 2. Are we clear? No? Pi r square by 2 minus half, base means 7, height means 24. This is okay. So here you will calculate. You see students, that if we get cancel here, 2 here 11, and I think this must be your task, that you should calculate, and you will get the answer, 12 7 84, and the remaining part if you multiply and by subtract, you will get some square centimeter, then the area of shaded region you will find. Next, question number 2. Here is the question is what? The two concentric circles given. Two concentric circles. And it is A, C, B, D, O, and it is 40 degree, and the shaded part is this part. This part is shaded region. You have to calculate the area of this part. So how can you calculate? Here is given that if the radii of two concentric circles, if the radii of two concentric circles are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and angle AOC is 40 degree. Clearly you see students, OAC is a sector, OBD is a sector. We have to calculate this section. That means area of OAC sector minus area of OBD sector. OAC, OBD. Then easily we can find the area of the shaded region. Over. So find here. Let small r is equal to 7 centimeter, capital R is equal to 14 centimeter. As here two circles, so the small r is OD, suppose 7 centimeter, and OC, this section, this radius I am taking here capital R, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Now area of shaded region equal to area of OAC sector minus area of OBD sector. Clear? OAC sector minus OBD sector. So as we know that sector angle, the area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta by 360 into pi r square, I am taking here capital R square because it's the big circle having radius r, capital R. Now it is theta by 360 into pi small r square over, as you take theta is the common, that is 40 degree. So 40 by 360 into pi 22 by 7, you take common. Clear? 40 by 360 and pi, it will come out of the bracket because it is the common part, and r square minus r square, we can take r square is 14 square minus 7 square. So it will become 22 by 63 into 14 square minus 7 square, 196 minus 49. It is 22 by 63 into 147 over. Now try to cancel these terms. If we can cancel here, (154 by 3). So area of to the shaded region we can calculate by subtracting this part, and we will get the remaining part is 154 by 3 square centimeter. You can change into into 2 decimal significant figure and easily you can find area of shaded region equal to 154 by 3 square centimeter. Okay students, next another question I am doing here. Question number 3. Here you see a square is there, a name given ABCD, and 2 semicircles are there which just touch at the point which is the point P, and the shaded region is this section. These sections are the shaded region, and you have to find the area of this shaded region. Very interesting. Find the area of the shaded region. If ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, here the side of the square is 14 centimeter. You know, all the side are 14 centimeter. Given side of square is 14 centimeter, APB and BPC are semicircles. Okay, so how can you calculate the area of the shaded region? You see the area of the square minus the area of 2 semicircles. Area of a square minus area of 2 semicircles, then we can calculate the area of the shaded region. Here I am writing here area of shaded region equal to area of a square minus area of 2 semicircles. Area of a square minus area of 2 semicircles. So you see students, square area is side into side, that we can put here 14 into 14, that is area of the square, minus area of 2 semicircles means 2 into pi r square by 2, because pi r square by 2 is the area of a semicircle. Here is the 2 semicircles AP, APD and BPC. 2 semicircles are there. So the area of one semicircle is pi r square by 2. 2 semicircles means into 2. You cancel here 2, 2. 196 minus pi r square. You see, as I am writing here, as 14 is the what? Side of the square means it is the diameter of the semicircle. We can write it is the side means diameter of the semicircle. As the diameter of the semicircle 14 centimeter means radius is 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. Now I am writing here pi r square means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, that is 7 square. Cut here 196 minus 154, and here you will get by subtracting 196 minus 154, 42 square centimeter is the area of shaded region, is 42 square centimeter. This was question number 3. Okay, then we will do another question. Question number 4. Here see, a triangle is there and a circle here. Sorry, up to this, you just watch the diagram, this. Okay, now the shaded part is all are. All are the shaded parts, These all parts are shaded, So how can you calculate the means the area of the total part, that you have to calculate. What are the data given here? The data is 6 centimeter is the radius. OAB, this is 12 centimeter side. Given that, find the area of the shaded region where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB. So circular arc of radius, that means R is equal to 6 centimeter, side of equilateral triangle, that means OAB is an equilateral triangle of side let A equal to 12 centimeter. This is given. You have to calculate the area of the shaded region. So see here, area of the shaded region is, first you calculate the area of the circle, then area of a equilateral triangle, that means area of shaded region equal to area of a circle plus area of equilateral triangle. These two, circle plus equilateral triangle minus this sector, because this sector is excluded, it is shaded, but it is just common to both the circle and equilateral triangle. So you have to subtract this portion minus area of a sector, this sector, So do it. Area of a circle pi r square, area of equilateral, just I am writing the formula, area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 into side square minus area of a sector pi r square theta by 360 degree. Okay students, so here pi r square means 6 square, radius is 6, plus root 3 by 4 into a square means 12 square, minus 22 by 7 r square 6 square theta 60 degree by 360 degree, as it is equilateral triangle, so theta is 60 degree. Now solve this. 22 by 7 into 36 plus root 3 by 4 into 144 minus 132 by 7. I have cancelled here 60, 366 and 1 6 and 6 remain. 6 into 22, 132 by 7. Okay students, now I hope just try to multiply these terms and add these two terms and subtract the remaining part. You will get the remaining portions of the what? These portions can be excluded and the area of the shaded region you will get. Okay. Next is what? The question number 5. Here you see this is a square A, B, C, D. In the middle a small circle is there and each corner a quadrant like a sector, Now the remaining portions are the shaded region. This part are the shaded parts, these sections are. So easily you can say students, whole the area of the square minus area of the 4 quadrants. The square area minus area of the 4 quadrants, then you can and as well as the circle, you can find the area of the shaded region. So what the data given from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter. This is the side of 4 centimeter, the side of the square. A quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter. This radius, as it is 90 degree, just I am indicating in a 1 quadrant, that is 1 centimeter. All are 1 centimeter. This all are 1 centimeter. Radius 1 centimeter. Each corner 4 centimeter side. Also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter. This is a circle which diameter is 2 centimeter. It's cut. And find the remaining portions of the square. That means the shaded portion, So first thing you write side of square, that is 14 centimeter. Then radius of quadrant, 4 quadrants are there, radius of quadrant 1 centimeter. Diameter of a circle, that is 2 centimeter, where you write here capital R, here I am giving, and it is smaller. The quadrant radius is smaller, I am just writing here, and capital R is the radius of this circle, and it is 2 by 2, it is 1 centimeter. Remember one thing, this is the diameter of this circle, and I am taking here capital R, and 1 is the radius of the quadrant, I am taking smaller. Now area of shaded part or remaining part of the square. How can you calculate? Easily you can do area of square ABCD, this minus area of this circle plus 4 into area of a quadrant. Quadrant means sector, like one sector. That means we can write 4 into area of one sector. So area of a square is what? Side into side. That means 4 into 4, 4 square, minus area of a circle pi r square. Pi r square means 22 by 7 into area of a circle. This radius is 1 square. Are you clear? No. Pi r square is the area of circle, as the radius is 1 square, plus 4 into area of a quadrant, that is theta by 360, and theta I am just applying here 90 degree, theta by 360 into pi r square, means 1 square. Are you confusing? Here I am writing theta is 90 degree, 90 by 360 into pi r square, r also 1 here, and as it is 4 quadrants, there are, so 4 multiplied there, 16 minus 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7 over, just I am writing 16 minus 44 by 7. Okay, then just do subtract that two terms, you will get the remaining part of the area of the shaded part, that is 68 by 7 square centimeter. It is the area of the remaining part of the square, this section. Okay students, so just today we have completed 5 questions from the exercise 12.3, and I hope you entertained and understood these questions with the answers, and the remaining questions we will do in the next video. And stay happy to entertain this video, and I hope you just try to learn something from the examples and other questions, and I will clear all the doubts and all the questions with answers from other textbooks and R.D. Sharma books. And take care and watch for the next video in the next class.